Hey, so congratulations on making it this far. It's quite a big achievement. So what you've learned so far is some sets, and you've also learned to deal with Python. Now we're going to actually learn about probability. This is a technical lesson again, kind of like the first one, but I think it's slightly easier than the first one. So we'll jump straight into probability, and hopefully you guys learn something. So let's see. We're here, probability basics. So let's start from the start. So a probability or whatever, there's this thing called a triple. So you've got a probability space or a probability triple, and it consists of these three things here. So this omega you've seen before, this funny looking f, and this probability measure. Yeah. So let's just discuss what each of these mean individually. So this omega here is that is the set of all possible outcomes. So we've discussed that before. Remember rolling a dice? The set of all possible outcomes when you roll a dice is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? So F is now this F thing. Now just don't worry about it too much. It's a very advanced measure theory thing. But essentially what it is, it's the set of all events or subsets of outcomes. Again, don't worry about it too much. So it's like a set of sets. It consists of sets. So here, for the dice rolling example, it would be like just everything. You could have the like zero, the empty space, or you could have it be 1, or you could just have it be 6, right? Now you could, when you also roll a dice, you could have it be you could have it be 1 and 2, or 1 and 3, and like all those possible things. Or you could have three things going on. You could have 1, 1, 2, 3, or 2, 3, 4, and also you could have the sample the sample the sample space here. So the sample space is within this f. It's called a sigma algebra or whatever. Yeah, I wouldn't worry too much about it. Don't worry. It's a very advanced topic. Just know that this is bigger than this. In this course, you won't be dealing with this, but it's good for completeness, I guess. And we also have this probability measure. So measure, like what it is. It's a function that takes something in the f. So it takes some sort of set and it maps it to the real numbers. So this R, big R, stands for real numbers. So a number, it takes a set, like maybe this thing here, and then it converts it into some sort of number. Now, in the rolling the dice example, we can see that. So, for example, so when you roll a dice, what's the probability you get the empty outcome? So you roll the dice, and what is the probability you get that, like, the empty outcome? That's gonna be 0, because you roll the dice. You have to get something. And also maybe here. So what's the probability you get just 1? So you roll a dice, and what's the probability you get 1? It's 1/6, because there's 6 choices you could have. Okay, how about this one here? So this will be what's the probability you get 1 or 2, right? And that'll be a third, because it's gonna be 1/6 time plus another 6th, which equals a third. So we can go to the board and see what's happening there. So let me explain this. Okay, I'm just trying to minimize this. Okay, it's okay. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, the probability 1/6. It's just I don't really need to explain this that much. 1/6 plus 1/6, and that equals 2/6, which is 1/3, because you can simplify this and this. Okay, that's what that is. Let's go back here, and that's it. So that's a probability triple. Now in the next video we'll move on to some probability axioms. That'll be fun.